I have a bear in my apiary. Her name's Missy. Say good morning, sweetheart. So we're out for a big walk this morning. Now I wanted to show you something. Good morning from Little Creek Bee Ranch. We're looking at some bee cozies here. We're at Hilltop Apiary, some wraps that we've done, but I want you to pay attention to what's on the face of this wrap. I don't know if you can see it. See the little brown streaks? Those little brown streaks? That's bee poo. It's okay. I don't want to see a lot of that. What that tells me is when the bees come out, they can't hold their potty and they squirt right away. Too much of that tells me they could have Nosema. Now, because it's black, a black background, it shows up easily. So there's another reason to have a wrap. Same thing here. Get down here where you can see the little brown streaks. It shows up easily against the black. So I kind of pay attention to that when I see it. I don't want to lose any colonies. Nosema is my #1 concern. I can knock out beetles and mites. I'm not worried about that. But I do worry about Nosema. Across this one here, look at this. A little bit. It's cold, they're still clustered up. But I'm saying, you pay attention to that stuff and you can get ahead of Nosema. At that point, I'd give them some Fumagillin B, a medicine. Maybe about a small teaspoon in each quart of sugar water. I do it twice. But, you know, that's just a tip, just so that you're paying attention. That's what you're looking for. If it was bad, it'd be a whole bunch. But it's just, you know, a little indicator. All right? Hope you're learning and following along. If you like what we're doing here at Little Creek Bee Ranch, please tell others. We're getting more and more interest in our philosophy and system of keeping bees. Teaching people, you know, that's the whole deal. Teaching people. Let others know. Have an awesome day. See ya.